In this video, I will show you how to fit long text in Excel. So we can see there is the long text. Select it and you will find wrap option in the home tab. Click on file, more options. Now quick access toolbar. Here all commands and find out here wrap text. Select it, then add. Click on OK. Now here you will get this option, wrap text, select it. So your select your text and so select your cell where you have the text, then wrap. Now adjust. Select it, now make it center. So this way you can fit long text in Excel. Thanks for watching.